And welcome back to Simple Circuits 101. This is my latest project called
Computer Battleship.
It comes nicely packaged with a selection of playing pieces and a comprehensive manual. This is the 1979 version, which required players to input their coordinates manually, making the gameplay a little bit difficult. Later versions had pre-configured scenarios. And it's made in the Republic of Ireland. The game is assembled, the fleet is in position, and we are ready to play.
Game on.
You input the data like this, press the fire button, and
Well, that's a bit rubbish.
this is the battery compartment containing two 9-volt batteries wired in parallel for extra longevity. Remove the slider switches, turn over and push out the 6 retaining clips.
They're a bit fiddly.
Now let's have a look inside. Classic hand-drawn PCB. Beautiful work there. Nice wavy lines. Oh, fantastic stuff. Those are the 2 microprocessors and a little cheeky bodge of a resistor there. The 2 9-volt batteries wired in parallel. And for those of you playing at home,
Milton Bradley 4750B.
nice. Having a look at the PCB tracks and some possible dry joints. They'll need reflowing later. Now I'm inspecting the top side of the PCB and I find a tungsten filament light bulb, which was responsible for that rather lacklustre explosion effect. Well, that'll have to go. As a matter of course, I replace capacitors. They're many years old and they've probably lost their potency. 22 microfarads at 16 volts and an unusual size 6.8 microfarads at 16 volts.
Time for a montage moment.
Splodge a bit of rosin flux in there and reflow all the contact points. Not sure which one's the guilty party. There might be several, so I just do them all. Give that a scrub with contact cleaner.
Very dirty.
And again for the push buttons. Hot glue cable relief. Out with the old bulb and in with a new LED. And replace the capacitors. Notice how I've written the values of the capacitors on the PCB, just in case you forget what goes where. 4 capacitors in total.
End of.
A montage moment.
And now, the moment of truth. Still a bit lacking though. So I 3D printed a flame effect which will pop straight on top of the LED. Let's see how that goes. Looks promising. Right, take 2. Oh yes, much better. Yes, after a very short period of time, that sonar ping really began to grate. So I put in a volume control. There you go.
Oh, there you go. Oh, very tight.
Lovely. I made several iterations of the volume control knob and settled on this one in the end. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe.